Hi friends, in this video, I will review another budget hotel in Singapore. This is Hotel 81 Princess, located in the Geylang area. The exact location is on Lorong 12, which is close to Al Junaid MRT station. I stayed here in December 2024, and for this double room, paid a price of approximately 80 Singapore dollars per day. It was okay, considering my booking was on a pay later and free cancellation basis. This was a superior double room, with a window. The view outside was of nearby buildings. Because of the large window, the room felt bigger than it actually was. It felt comfortable being there. Let me show you the amenities in the room. The double bed was adequate for 2 persons. The mattress on it was not exactly soft, but not too hard either. Personally, I would have liked a softer mattress. On one side of the bed, there was a digital locker, the room phone, and an electric kettle. This platform, along with the plastic chair they had provided, could even be used as a small work desk. They supplied tea and coffee packets, but there was no bottled water. Guests are supposed to take drinking water from a tap in the bathroom. It was said to be filtered water, but was just an activated carbon filter. I did not like that idea. Instead of using the bathroom water for drinking and making coffee, I bought water bottles from a shop on the main road. It was actually cheap. Back in the room, among other amenities, there was an empty mini fridge and a flat screen TV. And instead of a cupboard, there was an open hanger stand. There were even some hooks to hang clothes on the wall opposite the bed. Electricity points were international, so there was no need for an adapter. There were some USB charging points as well. Free Wi-Fi worked, but it was not so fast. It was still usable. I could surf the net and watch some YouTube videos. The air conditioner worked well, and could be adjusted from this digital panel. It was a nice touch. The bathroom was compact, but adequate. There was a shower stand with 24-hour hot and cold water, and a 3-in-1 soap dispenser next to it. The room was small, but somehow it had everything one might need during the stay. Down in the lobby, staff is present at all times. The check-in time is after 3 p.m., and the checkout time is before 11 a.m. Late checkout is possible, subject to availability, and after confirmation by the front office staff. The main road close to the hotel, which is Geylang Road, has local bus stops, and there are 2 MRT stations within a walking distance. Based on my first experience here, if I have to stay in Geylang, I will choose Hotel 81 Princess for my next visit as well. I am not saying that one will have a perfect stay at this hotel every time, but considering the location, the price, and the amenities they provide, it is a fairly good hotel. I would like to have your views on this. Please share your opinion, experience, questions, or feedback in a comment below. I will be happy to respond. And consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video. You may also want to subscribe to my channel for similar travel videos on Singapore and other countries. Many thanks for watching.